So बेटा now I am taking the question number 2. The question number 2 is given in the tabular form, है ना, जो अभी मैंने जैसे आपको बताया, this is the tabular form. I am taking the tabular form. So these are the elements. You know, this is the collection of the numbers of natural number, है ना. So this is known as the element. These are known as the elements of the set, है ना. So 1 is the element of the set A, 2 is the element of the set A, 4 is the element of the set B, E is the element of the set C, है ना. So mathematical how will you represent it? So there is a symbol, है ना, epsilon आपने सुना होगा, है ना. It is known as the belongs to, है ना, or does not belongs to. How to represent the mathematically? So suppose I am talking about the first set, okay, belongs to मतलब 1 is the belongs to set A, है ना. So I am taking 1 belongs to set A, but I am talking about the 4 does not belongs to the set A. If I am talking about the set B, so 4 belongs to set B, 8 does not belongs to set B. C is the collection of vowel, है ना. So U belongs to set C, है ना. E belongs to set C. So I hope so this is clear to you. So in this way just I am taking the question number 2. Question number 2 is about to the collection of the numbers, natural numbers, which is less than by 7, है ना. So I am taking the question number 2. A is the collection. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the first part of the question is 5 dot 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 A. Second part is 8 dot 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 A. Third part is 0 A. Fourth one 4 A. Fifth A. Sixth one so beta here the question is the insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to the in the blank spaces, है ना. So as you know that this is the set A and it is the collection of the natural number which is less than by 7. Other words you can also say that it is the collection of the whole number greater than by 0 and less than by 7, है ना. So 5 is belongs to set A. 5 is the member of this family. 8 does not belongs to the set A. 5 is not the 8 is not belongs to this family, है ना. If I am talking about 0, 0 does not belongs to the set A, इसका पार्ट नहीं है. 4 is belongs to the set A, 4 यहाँ पर belong करता है. 2 is belongs to the set A and 10 is does not belongs to the set A. So in this way you can give the question answer of the question number 2. Okay, I hope so it is clear to you. I am taking question number 3 of your book. Write the following sets in the roster form. Okay, the form is given A equal to X such that X is an integer and ठीक है. रोस्टर फॉर्म और द टेबुलर फॉर्म. टेबुलर फॉर्म का सेकेंड नेम है I hope so it is visible. So how to convert into the roster form? As I told you about the integers. Integers क्या होते हैं? Z and I from minus infinity, है ना, from minus infinity to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like up to the positive infinity. है ना. अब इनने क्या बोला है कि द सेट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल ऑफ z. x एक ऐसा नंबर है विच इज ग्रेटर देन बाय -3. तो -3 से ग्रेटर एंड स्मॉलर देन बाय 7. सो जस्ट चूज द नंबर, है ना. जैसे हम नंबर लाइन पे इफ वी विल मूव द ऑन द नंबर लाइन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, सो नंबर की न्यूमरल वैल्यू विल बी द इंक्रीज, है ना. सो व्हाट विल बी द नंबर? सो इट विल बी द a इक्वल टू -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are the numbers, है ना. The number is less than by 7 and the number is greater than by -3. I hope so it is clear to you. Okay. I am taking the another question. Second part of question number 3. X is the natural number less than by 6. X is the natural number less than by 6. X such that x is a natural number, इसको यूं लिख लेते हैं, नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन बाय 6, लेस देन बाय 6. by 6. Now, just you think about the natural number, the begin from the all the countable numbers, the begin from the 1, है ना. तो आपको कैसे वाले लेना है? b is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Less than means exclusively it must be the smaller than by 6. So this is the roster form, that are the tabular form to represent the sets. Okay. ये आपका डिस्क्रिप्टिव वे है एंड दिस इज नोन एज द टेबुलर वे. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द फोर्थ पार्ट, है ना. प्राइम नंबर्स विच इज द डिवाइजर ऑफ 60, है ना. अब बेटा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द प्राइम नंबर्स? आई होप सो द टर्म इज प्राइम नंबर इज क्लियर टू यू. आई एम वंस अगेन आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर. द नंबर विच हैव एग्जैक्टली 2 फैक्टर्स, वो सारे नंबर जिनके केवल और केवल 2, एग्जैक्टली मीन्स ओनली एंड ओनली 2 फैक्टर. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग 4, है ना. 4 का मैंने लिया तो 4 के फैक्टर्स कितने होंगे? 1 2 एंड 4 itself. The 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4, है ना. So is 4 is the prime number? No, not at all. 4 is not the prime number. If I am talking about 2 3 5 7 11, है ना, in this way there are the infinite prime numbers, है ना. And then 2 is only unique even prime number. So they are asking about the divisor of the 60. The question is related to the divisor of the 60 or it must be the prime. So if I am talking about the 60 के divisors कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? तो 1 बोलो, 2 3, ठीक है. Is 4 is divisible, 60 is divisible by 4, I guess. 15 4 is 60, then 5, then 6, then in table of 8, no, 9 10, yes, 11 12 13 14 15. Just you can think the, है ना, by the prime factorization also you can find out the factors. 2 30 2 15 3 5 and 5 बन जा. ठीक है. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 5 जा 60, है ना. तो यहाँ से आप इवन इन दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट, है ना. तो 1 2 3 4, है ना. ठीक है. तो बेटा आप इन दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. ये आपका एक तरीका है. दिस इज अनदर वे टू फाइंड द फैक्टर, है ना. सो अब कौन कौन से इसमें, अब आपका क्वेश्चन ये नहीं था. क्वेश्चन ये है कि व्हाट आर, जस्ट यू कमेंट अबाउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ द 60, है ना. तो प्राइम फैक्टर कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं यहाँ पे? 2 2 3 एंड द 5. और यहाँ से देखोगे तो यू कैन चूज द प्राइम फैक्टर. कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? 1 इज नॉट द प्राइम नंबर, है ना. So 2 is the prime factor, 3 is the prime factor, है ना, 5 is the prime factor. So you can get the answer from this table or from the factors also, है ना. So just to write collection C, है ना, 2, 3 and comma 5, है ना. This is the best way to find the prime factors, है ना. This is only the prime factorization method. Now I am taking the another question. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry, है ना. अब बेटा just remember thing, जैसे आपको इनको बोले, यदि आपको कोई बोले कि just you write the collection of the word in the roster form 2, or I am taking, ठीक है, या I am taking the my name, so how to write in the roster form? Suppose I am making a set A of this alphabet, so no need to write the word the second time. So simple, it is the collection of the alphabets, that is the word TOO. I am taking this B as a collection, so it is the G O, since O is coming 2 times here, so this is the G is also coming second time, L, and it will be the E. It is the roster form or the tabular form. C S O U R A B and H. No alphabet is coming the second time, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 elements in the set C. Okay, and the last question of the third is the set of the letters from word better. इसमें भी आप better का भी बना सकते हैं, वैसे ही कैसे जो word आपका अल्फाबेट सेकेंड टाइम आ रहा है, प्लीज उसको आप no need to write. So how to write? So suppose I am taking the set D, so how to write? B E double T E R, so B E T E R. Okay, now after this I am taking the question number 4.